Hello, what's up everybody? TD here again with another C tutorial, and today specifically we're gonna talking about Struct. Uh, I'm gonna explain it to you guys as well about what Struct is. So before this tutorial, we have been writing inside of here, inside the main function. We write out something like printf, right? And then scanf or if else if we we write it inside this function in the main function, but we can actually put something out of the main function as well, and that is what we're going to talk about today, specifically on struct. So struct is basically you're just making a structure of a function that can be called or can be overwritten in the main function and can be used for later. Like for example here, I'm gonna make a structure for character. All right, it's not the char. It's not this one. You can use this one. It won't work, okay, because this has a specific use, but you can use character like this. So yeah, struct character, and I want this function to be able to store the character's name. So let's put that name, let's put 50 50 line there, right? And then I want the character to have age. I want to store its height as well and its weight, right? Don't forget to put a semicolon there at the struct end. And then what we can do here in the main function is to actually first call the struct, and then we name it something, like for example char1. How about that? Yeah, right. And we can override the variable inside of the character structure uh, by calling what we call here. We call the character as char1 or char1, and then calling the variable inside of it, uh, for example for name. Wait, we can't use this for name, we need string copy, but let's use the integer first. Like for integer, for example char1 dot int, wait, char1 dot age, excuse me. For example, let's say this character is 32 years old, so I can just put it like this: char1 dot variable, the height, let's say is 180, a pretty tall guy, taller than me obviously. The weight, let's make him to be 65, and this is specifically for string. Oh yeah, and because we use string copy there, we actually need to use another library here, that is string.h. So we need to put that in there. otherwise the compiler will give an error because the stdio.h library will not provide anything such as string copy. That's why it doesn't lead up here. Let's see if I write and quit first and then go back here. Oh, it still doesn't lead up, but it should still work, I hope. String copy, wait, yeah, we make it like this, and then like what we did to the other, char1.name, comma, and then we put this whatever we want, like John Smith. Right, don't forget to put a semicolon, and let's print this out. I'll print out, this is the information of character number 1, backslash n. Where is my backslash n? There you go. Print again, and we'll start with the name. Name is %s, and in here we need to put char1.name. Just put it like a variable, yeah. But instead of the variable being name, we have the structure name and then dot and then the variable inside of the structure. So that's just all that there is to it. And I'll write out some more. Printf age equals %d years old. char1.h, right? Printf height equals %d centimeter, char1.height height. Printf wait, bruh, weight equals %d. Where is %d kilogram, right? Okay, char1.weight. So this is actually all there is to it. So we're gonna write it and quit. Write and quit, and oops, let's compile it. Then dot slice. Okay. Oh yeah. I forgot to put the backslash n in all of this. Let's put it first so it looks a bit better on the eye. Right, gcc struct.c vim, wait, what? Why did I go back to vim.slice a.out? This is the information of the character number 1. Okay, yeah, that's all there is to it. You can also um, as like what I just said previously, you can treat this as a variable, yeah. For example, here the age, if I want to gain a user input like char1.h, yeah. um here in here 32, right? The the previous number, but we're gonna override it with this scanf for user input. Let's compile it. Oh, I forgot to put a semicolon. Okay, let's put a semicolon there. Here, when you run it, for example 69, age is 69 years old here, and this previous thing, which previously 32, yeah, previously 32, but we can override it with scanf. We can still get user input, because this is actually just you get access to the variable inside of the structure of this character thing. So yeah, that's actually all there is to struct. And don't forget to use hashtag include string.h and string copy for character name or string of character, and this is all you need for such a thing as this. I hope you enjoy it, and I hope you learn something from this. And also sorry for not uploading so much, because I lost some motivation along the way, and I hope uh, we all can just learn for something. But yeah, I just do this for fun, right? But anyway, thank you for watching. See ya.